unta nga inahan sa Dios
aron mahimo kami nga ngayon sa pamasaad ni Kristo.
Magampo kita, O
O Diyos, kang sambugtong anak, tinaagi sa iyang kinabuhi, kamamaayon pagkabanhaw, libayad ala ka namo sa kinabuhi. Ituwa namo yung kami, na pinaagi ni amo pagpalandong sa mga misteryo sa Santo Rosario, sa balahang Birhen Maria, makasunod unta kami sa mga tugon ni o makabang sa mga saan, pinaagi ni Kristo among Ginoo. Amen.
Santos uyamot ng kasing Jesus, kaluyan kami. Putli ang kasing-kasing ni Maria,
Iampo mo kami.
Sinyo San Jose,
Iampo mo kami.
San Juan,
Iampo mo kami.
San Luis Maria sa Monfort,
Iampo mo kami.
San Lorenzo Ruiz de Manila,
Iampo mo kami.
San Pedro Calungsod.
Iampo mo kami.
Sa ngalan sa Samahan, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mapasalamaton ang DYDM ning mosunod nga mga sponsors alang sa matag Biyernes sa gabi sa Santos nga Rosario. Mr. and Mrs. Charlie Hualde, Marines Ristobal, CL Pawnshop, Maasin City. Mr. and Mrs. Silvano Padicio and family. Engineer Ramsey Kevin Pacundo Boiser. Mr. Rogelio and Dr. Sinaida Abiera and family. Abiera Medical Clinic, Mantahan, Maasin City.
Salvador Boy Abiera and family.
Celia Verano and family. Anonymous.
Dedicated to bring the Filipino people, the first and only network in the Philippines. Truly community-based broadcast. Number one in service, information, service, and credibility. Member, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
We'll be here for you. The only station you love is still right here.
You have been listening to station DYDM AM, a commercial broadcast station owned and operated by the Diocese of Maasin with the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, or CBCP, and CMN, Catholic Media Network, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, Department of Transportation and Communication, under broadcast permit number BSD-015795. Station DYDM operates on regular days from 5 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the evening on 15.48 kilohertz with a power of 5,000 watts. Our transmitter and studio are located at St. Joseph College, Mambahaw Campus, Maasin City, Southern Leyte. This station is being operated and maintained by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. First class radio operator Ramon Boiser with NTC registration number 928-20780. Gaudencio Saratan Jr. with NTC registration number 9357391. Technicians Ismael Sabalo Jr., Ruel Mercedes. Technical Consultant Engineer Dominador Patulilik with license number 0001350. Station DYDM is a member of the KBP, Kapisanan na mga broadcaster sa Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
I am the